It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Well, good morning everybody and Happy New Year. We are here with Eric, Nomadic Fanatic. He's taking off in just a little bit. Scott and I are going to go do a few things around Yuma. And this is the parking lot. This is free parking. I don't believe there's any limit on how long people can stay because there were people here that were here the last time we were here. But you'd want to check on that inside the casino. It is free to stay out here. And it's pretty empty right now compared to what it was last couple days ago. Anyways, the other group that we were with Aja and the other guys, they have moved on to the other casino. Scott and I decided we did not want to go over there. We like this spot here, and it's closer to some of the things that we want to go and do. So we broke off from the tribe. And let's see, we just have a whole lot of things we're going to go do today. It's a beautiful day. You want to say
good morning.
Happy New Year?
Huh?
Happy
New Year too.
How about you, Dave?
Hey, Happy New Year, everybody, from Dave's RV Life.
Yep.
Come see us.
All right. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Scott and I are going to tidy up here and get on the road so we can go take you guys and show you some good things. All right. Happy New Year's, you guys. Dave, we'll see you down the road. Couple days.
All right, see you down the road.
All right.
All right, bye.
Take care, brother.
Safe travels.
Bye. You too.
Territorial prison here. We wanted to do this last time that we were here, but we didn't get a chance to do it, so we are going to go do it now.
So we came all the way back.
Yeah, just to
Just
show
for
you
you
guys.
guys.
All right, here we go. All right, so there's a loop trail and the prisoner cemetery. And it also tells us to be very cautious because there are reptiles and insects that inhabit the area. So that's a little scary, but I have been told that it is not the time or the season. It's not the season right now for snakes. So, but I think I still need to be aware of it. I didn't want anyone going out that skylight. Thank you, hon. Scott, does that look familiar to you?
Yep, ball and chain.
Ball and chain?
Been around it for a while.
Oh, goodness.
I don't know. Just got to move around the same wall. Sure.
Okay, what you guys may not see is that as we're looking at this picture, there's actually pictures of like zombies in there. Oh, you might be able to see one right about here. Maybe. You see it? Oh yeah, you guys can see it. Oh, they can. Okay, you guys look really close. You can see it. Weird.
Imagine 6 people being in there.
6 people, you guys. Wow.
I wonder if they chained them with that chain thing at the bottom.
Ooh. Oh, these were double doors. Can you imagine how cold that would have been? Even out here in the winter, I cannot imagine. But in the hottest part of the year, it must have been like an oven in here.
Oh, I can close it on you.
Ah, no, there might be, you know what, there could be snakes in here.
There's bed bugs in there, maybe.
Oh, no, there's bats in here.
Oh, yeah, there's bats in there.
There's bats. They warned us. Oh. Oh my gosh. The original iron bunk beds. Wow. And I think I got a hard bed in the camper. Looks like they're working on this one. Ooh, that startled me. Okay, guys. That scared me. That rat right there, it scared me. I jumped. Yeek. Oh, this must have been the luxury room. Oh. Wow. Doesn't say what kind of room that was. Oh, are you gonna go in here with me?
right behind you.
Okay, this is where they said that there were some bats in here.
I already been in, there's nothing.
There's no bats? Ooh, it's scary. Boy, look at that. Ooh, they don't even have... Oh, I'm kind of freaked out. Did you go all the way in there?
Yep.
I'm not going all the way in there. There's something behind that door, is there?
No.
Okay, you sure?
Yep.
Don't you scare me.
No.
Okay. I got Scott way back here.
I've already been in there. That's just the bottom of the cell. The rest of the cell is gone.
Oh, okay.
You know, it had walls and a roof on it.
All right, I'm a little chicken, guys, when it comes to this kind of stuff. I don't like dark like that. Yep, I'm not even gonna go in there. Can't see anything anyways. Oh, that would be horrible. What a horrible, horrible thing.
Oh, this is the library?
Oh, this was the library. Wow. They said that this prison was actually one of the most humane prisons. Isn't that what they were saying?
The
Yeah.
luxury of prisons, I guess.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, the luxury. They had a lot of luxuries here. Okay, let's venture on to another part.
Watch your head. Whoop. Surprise.
The yard.
This is the yard. Oh, and it is warm in here. And more cells. See right there?
Oh no!
See what it says right there?
The New Year's
Teri
one.
did it. I knew she did it.
Oh,
Yep.
if you ended up here, you must have been well and truly framed.
Yep. Teri did it.
Oh no.
Now, here's the thing for you. I knew you did it.
So this is the new yard. It was constructed in 1900 to help relieve the overcrowding, and the entrance to the library was right over here, and they closed that up.
I want out. Oh, maybe I want to stay in. It's nice in here.
It's nice and cool in there, huh? Let's see. Oh. Oh. Oh, I got it in the bucket.
Ooh.